Humanitarian logistics for DHL means improving people's lives. It includes prevention, as in vaccination programs, providing humanitarian logistics in a practical way. Well, DHL focus on partner with the organizations, and that would be UN agencies, NGOs, manufacturers, and governments as well, in offering unique solutions. Dubai is geographically and strategically important. It's a gateway to Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. With the existing humanitarian hubs like the IHC, International Humanitarian City, emergency hubs are based in Dubai. To improve the humanitarian logistics, DHL has created the Global Humanitarian Logistics Competence Center. It is a control tower solution. DHL has a network in every country worldwide and outstanding opportunities to centralize operations for enabling consistent service as well as developing partnerships. DHL has focused on visibility for all the organizations. We have created a dedicated solution for humanitarian logistics across all different divisions like ocean freight, air freight, warehousing, road transport, and customer service. DHL has been taking care of the partners' special necessities and needs in full scale, finding suitable solutions against all challenges. For DHL, it means the last mile deliveries to communities in need. It's about being passionate, teamwork. Everybody is contributing to a common goal.
Every year, we deliver up to 250 million Proziquantel tablets to Africa. These tablets are used to treat school-aged children against schistosomiasis. Utilizing the DHL Humanitarian Logistics Competence Center for managing these deliveries, we've been able to dramatically improve visibility and control of these shipments. This has significantly improved our ability to deliver our donation medicine in time and ultimately combat schistosomiasis, one of the most severe neglected tropical diseases.
I come myself from an underprivileged area, so I know since I was born what actually it means to be in need and to be in need of help. Connecting people and improving lives is what we want to achieve across the globe. And logistics is our core competence, and composing both is something that I know from my own life experience that will help change the state of the world for tomorrow.